밤의 명암은 더욱 깊어져만 가네 내 바람은
हर बार की तरह व्लॉग चालू होगा मेट्रो स्टेशन से और मेट्रो आ चुकी है गाइस। We are at this metro station, Central Secretariat, केंद्रीय सचिवालय, and now we will be going to राष्ट्रपति भवन। Everywhere is PNB at the metro station. We are at the metro station and it's kind of crowded, and it's in yellow line as well as violet line. These are the paintings and mirror. Let's go to the mirror. Central Secretariat, the underground wonder. हम यहाँ जाएंगे।
크지 않아 단지 조용히 하루를 정리하고.
So this was a free shuttle that the government provided, and it's again the crowded area. Free shuttle service से आ गए हैं अमृत उद्यान। ये रहा अमृत उद्यान में आपका स्वागत है। और हमने बीच में किस किस का घर देखा?
बांसुरी स्वराज एंड मनोज तिवारी।
हाँ, बांसुरी स्वराज एंड मनोज तिवारी। रास्ते में भी सो मेनी पॉलिटिशियंस का घर, and today's election result day as well, so they were celebrating, like Manoj Tiwari and Bansuri Swaraj ka ghar was fully crowded with BJP jhanda and all, because obviously they won today, and obviously it's election result day and we are here at Rashtrapati Bhavan, so yeah, we're at major area.
싶을 뿐 미지근한 샤워와
Sunny winter, so it's very good weather to be here. It's currently 3 p.m. 3:30 I think, and February 8th, so very chill weather, not cold, not hot. The crowd is insane. Like the craze of Amrit Udyan is obviously too much, because there's a tree house, because it only opens for a month. Apparently 225-year-old tree from tree, that's why it's crowded over there, but it's crowded everywhere.
내 기타 소리와 너의
Banyan trees.
불빛에 조용히
This is Rashtrapati Bhavan. Tiranga. Veer. Moon. Rashtrapati Bhavan.
또 이 새벽이 지나면 난 널 다시 만날 수 있는 내일을 기다려야겠지. 이 순간이 짧아도
Princess लिखा हुआ है.
또 다른 내일을 위해 날 달래줄 너가 고마울 뿐. 미지근한 샤워와 내 기타 소리와 너의 따뜻한 불빛에 조용히.
I was thinking if I could get picture with purple tulips, but it's so difficult. Rashtrapati Bhavan.
I woke up just to miss ya. Woke up just to check if my phone decides to whisper. Said you needed time, so I made the clock move quicker. Honestly, you were my only friend. I hate to say I need ya. Look for you and everyone, and all it does is feed the urge to call you out, so I made myself delete ya. Jenny said it's the right thing to do.
फिर हम टूलिप फेस्टिवल क्यों जाए जब सारे टूलिप्स यहीं पर है?
Tell me, is it loud where you are, dear? There's a silence here. Where to me. It's 3 a.m. You know, I know, can't cure the vacancy. Oh, baby, there's a U-shaped space where your hands used to be.
Today's main character is definitely going to be the sun. Guys, because this is comparatively peaceful place. I'm wearing purple high neck and with purple jacket. This earring, this clip, and I wanted to wear my purple shoes, but they get dirty very easily, so I'm not wearing them. And I have these sunglasses and this bracelet.
Tell me, is it loud where you are, dear?
There are all the pretty flowers, but you cannot see it on camera because they're far. In reality, I could see each and every flower very precisely. At this place, this is completely empty, and the sun perfect for playing golf. Currently, there's Tulip Festival in Delhi in many parts of the city. It's usually near embassies, but I don't see the need of going there because there are so many tulips here. Maybe it's weekend, but the crowd is such that I sat down because I couldn't stand. So I'm not gonna lie about that thing to you guys. And it was hard to film, but my parents helped me a lot. But sometimes it would get weird where I would ask them to film, but it would get like this. Unlimited tulips. One thing that would not disappoint you is the weather. It's perfect demonstration of spring. I think many people come in places like these to do photography. So if you're someone who loves photography or just to click Instagram pictures in general, then this place would be very good for you. Because I've seen people in Delhi University, they do some projects, so this would be the perfect place. Identify all the flowers. Also, besides nature ASMR, you would hear a lot of noise of people, which is not bad. So sometimes it's nature's ASMR and sometimes it's people.
There's a silence here. Where are you anymore? Oh, 'cause there's a U-shaped space where your hands used to be.
This feels like a princess castle. And there's every color of flowers at her garden.
Baby, there's a pillowcase where you lay next to me. It's 3 a.m. You know, I know, can't cure the vacancy. Oh, baby, there's a U-shaped space where your hands used to be.
This Rashtrapati Bhavan is so vast, you can see it from everywhere. I wish I could be this close to every flower because look, this is how they look. These are the other areas of the Amrit Udyan and you can see every kind of roses here in every color. And my mom is also taking picture. Honestly, I feel like I don't need to talk much about this place. It feels like Disneyland. It's full of flowers. It's nature. It literally feels like Disney. पापा का पोज।
Chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. You're loving me, you're loving me. It goes like.
पापा मुझे बता रहे कैसे करना है।
I never thought I'd find it.
Let's experience nature's ASMR. पूरे खानदान की
곧 새벽이 찾아와 밤의 영감은 더욱 깊어져 한간에 내 바람은 그리
ऐसा
크지 않아
कैसे बनाना है पापा?
단지 조용히 하루
हर जगह
종일
हर तरीके के फ्लावर्स। Guys, this is fountain and these are white tulips, then red tulips, layers over layers. I'm getting like water splashes on my face. Doing this everywhere, no matter what. If I see purple.
새벽이 지나면 난 널 다시 만날 수 있는 내일을 기다려야겠지 이 순간이 짧아도 또 다른 내일을 위해 날 달래줘 너가 고마울 뿐 미지근한 샤워와
Feeling for the first time lip balm that I use. The aesthetics. So in every video, if you see what does Mugdha use in her lips, I use this in every video.
미지근한 샤워와 내 기타 소리와 너의 따뜻한 불빛에 조용히 잠들고 싶을 뿐이야
जहाँ एंगल घुमाओ वहाँ पे फ्लावर दिख रहे हैं।
I woke up just to miss ya. Woke up just to check if my phone decides to whisper. Said you needed time, so I made the clock move quicker. Honestly, you were my only friend. I hate to say I need ya. Look for you and everyone, and all it does is feed the urge to call you out. So I made myself delete ya. Jenny said
Set on our face. The amount of people that entered and exited. Last time when I came here, I was wearing yellow and I clicked so many pictures with yellow flowers.
where your hands used to be. Baby, there's a pillowcase where you lay next to me. It's 3 a.m. You know, I know, can't cure the vacancy. Oh, baby, there's a U-shaped space where your hands used to be.
हमने भेलपुरी खा ली गाइस। समाधि हाँ म्यूजियम भी तो था, मेमोरियल।